Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is on English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 8, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan and I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. This lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it or modify it for your convenience. Before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about good behavior. Our today's students' learning outcomes are copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Locate specific information to answer short questions. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse number 35, O you who believe, do your duty to Allah and fear Him, and seek the means of approach to Him, and strive hard in His cause as much as you can, so that you may be successful. Yes, my dear students, our actual success is hidden in the obedience of Allah Almighty. This beautiful verse is telling us the way to approach to Allah Almighty, how we can get nearer to Allah Almighty. And then if we will do that, all that, and that how we can approach, definitely with prayer. When we will offer prayer, we discuss our problems, we share everything to Allah Almighty, and this is a best way. Pre-reading questions are there. Do you know who is Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan? Have you ever seen the picture of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan? Yes, my dear students, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. Now we will start our lecture. Unit number 8, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. First paragraph we will start. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is our national hero and the founder of Pakistan's nuclear program. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is, yes, who is known as the founder of the Pakistan's nuclear program? Pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Good job, you have done it. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is known as Mohsin Pakistan. He was a Pakistani nuclear scientist and a metallurgical engineer. He is popularly known as Dr. A.Q. Khan. What does metallurgical engineer mean? Related to design and processing of metals. Metallurgical means that one create new things with metals in scientific form. He was born on April 1st, 1936 in Bhopal, India. This is the city of India. His father Abdul Ghaffur Khan was a respectable person. His mother Zulaikha Begum was known for her strong religious ideology. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan got his early education in India. Then he came to Pakistan and graduated in science from Karachi. Yes, there is a question, when And where was Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan born? Respond this question to your teacher. Yes, good job. I hope you have done it. He worked for 3 years in Pakistan. Then he left for Holland to get a higher education. He got a degree of master's in science in 1967. He earned PhD in metallurgy in 1972 from Catholic University in Leuven, Belgium. This is his background, where he got early education and his higher education. Here is a question for you, my dear students. Where did Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan go to get higher education? We have learned in this paragraph, where did he go? Respond this question to your teacher. Good job. In metallurgy in 1972 from Catholic University in Leuven, Belgium. He emerged as an expert scientist. In 1974, when he was working for a Dutch nuclear project, he offered his services to the government of Pakistan. The government accepted his offer and called him back to Pakistan. What does the word emerged mean? There is a word emerged. What does it mean? It means appeared, come in front. Here is a question for you again related to this paragraph. Why did he offer his services to the government of Pakistan? Pause the video and respond to your teacher. Excellent. Dr. Khan initially worked with the Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, PAEC, for a short period of time. In 1976, the government gave him full control of the Kahota uranium enrichment project. That happened due to his hard work, that the government of Pakistan gave him full control of that project. What does the word enrichment mean? It means improvement or increase in quantity or quality of anything. This is called enrichment. In enrichment project, Dr. Khan also invited many Pakistani scientists living abroad to work with him at Kahota. Yes, this was our today's lesson, half chapter we have completed. Now we will move to activity. Let's enjoy our work. Yes, give the class 5 minutes to brainstorm ideas relating to the topic of the reading. That topic that now just we have read. Then give them further 5 minutes to organize their ideas to form sentences on a page. Once they have completed this, encourage them to get up and move around the room and share their ideas with other learners. Yes, my dear teachers, perform this activity and give them extra knowledge that they have learned. They should collect all these ideas and share these ideas in the class. Good, excellent. I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed it a lot. Yes, let's move to comprehension. Now we will move to individual activity. Comprehension question number 1. Answer these questions on page number 60. Write and give these questions, write answers of these questions in your notebook in classwork. Good job. And in question number 2, learn the following words for dictation. Teacher will write these words on the board. Engineer, emerge, success, scientist, notable. Read these words and learn their dictation. Good job. What is our homework now for today? Make sentences of question number 2 on page number 60 in your notebooks. These question number 2, that already we learned dictation in our class. So now from home you will make sentences of these words in your notebook given on page number 60. And this is worksheet and this is given into the description box. You should click it, download it and provide it in printed form. Wrap up what we have learned today. Today we learned about reading strategies, that how a text can be understood through content, how answers can be located in the text. We also learned about the dictation of difficult words in the text. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Locate specific information to answer short questions. Yes, my dear students, we have completed our lecture and inshallah we will meet soon in new lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.